Alright guys, so in today's video we will create a smoke using aluminium foil and matches. So first, for this you need a aluminium foil. Some may have this in their houses. If not, then you can buy this at any local stores. So first, tear apart from this aluminium foil. Now take some matches and keep this here. Now using any cylindrical shaped object, you can roll this foil. Now fold this part and remove this. Now take a glass and keep it like this. You can bend a bit over here. Now using a burner, you can light these matches. Bang! So guys, this is the smoke created using matches. So guys, it's amazing. Even you can try this at home, and even you can use this trick for any other experiments or projects. So guys, see you in the next video. Till then, take care.